So on the front of a lot of our products, you're going to find an NFC tag, which basically means it's a near field communication tag that if you place your phone next to it, very, very close to it, it'll automatically generate a link to it and it'll communicate with that phone. It'll say, hey, there's a link. Do you want to open this link? All of our NFC tags that are on our products go to our homepage. But as an affiliate, you have the ability to change that link to your affiliate link or any link that you choose. All you got to do is change it. And so download a simple app called NFC Tools. It's free. It's available on Android and Apple products. And it's an orange icon called NFC Tools. And all you got to do is download that, install it on your phone, and then you can edit that tag right from the app. And so it's not that complicated. I don't necessarily need to go over how to do that. If you can use Facebook or some other social media app, you should be able to use it. And basically all you're going to do is tell it to read it, scan it, and then say, hey, here's the link that I want you to use, and then reprogram it. And so it's fairly easy, and it's a great way to use your affiliate link on all of our products. Questions, support at coldbreakusa.com.